Josh. I'm a registered dietitian, Cordon Bleu certified chef, and also author of the Low Carb Mediterranean Cookbook. And today I have tips to show you how to do a spring refresh. This is the perfect time of year to do this. And today we're gonna get this done with the help of the Wonderful company, who I love working with. Right here we have a healthy snack board. I'm all about the snack board for easy but impressive entertaining for your friends and your family. We're getting help from plant-powered Wonderful Pistachios. We're getting our vitamin C from Wonderful Halos and also Wonderful Seedless Lemons. And we're getting that antioxidant goodness from POM Wonderful. Now when it comes to Wonderful Pistachios, I love these. They come in a variety of in-shell and no-shell varieties. So they're really easy to add to your recipes, add to your snack board, grab and go snacking. And what's interesting is that pistachios are the only good source of protein among popular snack nuts. And they have 10% of the daily value for protein per serving, which is great because I'm always looking for ways I can add protein to my daily routine. Next on this board, we have halos. And I love incorporating halos into a snack board. They have that beautiful brightness, that juicy burst of flavor. My kids love them. They absolutely devour them. And I think because they're easy to peel and you can pop them into your lunch boxes, pop them on your snack board, make healthy snack swaps with them. Now when it comes to a snack board, you gotta have your dips, right? Now this first one, this is a POM molasses, and this is made with POM Wonderful 100% pomegranate juice. And I love it because you're getting that antioxidant boost, and you can also cook it and not lose any of those antioxidants, which you really can't say about a lot of food. So really great benefit there. The other thing is you're never gonna find fillers in POM and no added sugars ever. Another dip here on this board, this is a Wonderful Seedless Lemon Aioli dip. Great for dipping your vegetables, your crackers, and again, you're getting that zesty burst of flavor from the citrus and those beautiful bright colors. So great for incorporating into your recipes, and really cool is there's no pesky seeds in Wonderful Seedless Lemon. So I can tell you, you don't want to bite into a lemon seed. Next up, we have these air fryer pistachio crusted mushrooms. So good. Put those on your snack board, add them to a salad, or you have them as an entree because they contain a complete source of protein from Wonderful Pistachios. Pistachios have 6 grams of protein per serving, 3 grams of fiber. Great to add to your recipes. And then last but not least, hydration. We know it's important. Good news is mocktails count towards your hydration. This is a mocktail made with POM Wonderful 100% pomegranate juice and Wonderful Seedless Lemons. So again, no pesky seeds to fish out of your drink. POM is a healthy fridge staple. I always keep it on hand for my drinks. Again, the antioxidants in there, beneficial. They help fight those free radicals, and they're whole pressed. The POM is whole pressed, meaning you're getting benefits of antioxidants from the rind, the pith, and the arrows. So that's a healthy beverage that you can sip on. For more info, go to social media, follow the Wonderful companies, all of their brands for more recipes and inspiration.